Hey guys, I'm back. Today I went to take the 150 for a drive through the bushes and mud and everywhere. Um, yeah, I cleaned it yesterday and hmm, today it's very dirty. Well guys, I had a lot of fun. You can see everywhere is mud. My shoes, my legs, everywhere is mud. But I had to say it was fun. I enjoyed it. Um, I'm not gonna clean it now. I'll leave it till tomorrow or so. But yeah, I got three times I got stuck, but it is what it is. I was going to record everything while I was driving, but the phone mount I have is vibrating a lot, so I can't make videos. You won't be able to see anything. But when I get a better phone holder or something, then I will start recording when I go off road. But yeah, it's very dirty. Look at all that mud. And somehow I broke the plastic again. But yeah, I had some fun. Catch you guys on the next one.